How to fix focus and blur issue on iPhone camera. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you fix the issue like focus and blur problem on your iPhone camera. So let's get started. First, as you have to just close the entire camera application from your iPhone. After you close for a while, you'll have to again try to open your camera and try to focus and blur on your iPhone. If you are not able to do that, you'll have to just restart your iPhone, and after restart your problem should be fixed. If you are still facing that problem, you'll need to make some settings on your camera. For that, open up settings. From settings section, tap on camera. From camera section, you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to just turn on the options for lens correction. After you turn on this, it can also fix that issue. Sometimes a software update can fix your problem. For that, from the settings section, tap on general. From general, tap on software update. And from here, make sure that your iOS is up to date. If you find any update option, simply tap on update and install. After you update latest version of iOS on your iPhone, you can also fix that problem. If you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just reset all settings on your iPhone. For that, from the general section again, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From this section, tap on reset, and from here tap on reset all settings. After you reset all settings on your iPhone, you'll be able to fix that problem. If the problem is still happening, it may be some hardware issue. For that, you can go to your Apple repair center or any authorized customer center. And that's it. This is the method you can try to fix the issue for your camera. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.